could be a little challenge for me, but that's okay. But I'm here at the base. Took the metro and another metro and a bus to get here, but we're here now, so I'm gonna try to get this hike started. The beginning of the trail, from what I read online, says it's mostly covered, which is really cool because I'm not trying to bake in the heat, but I'm excited to see what kind of views this place has to offer, and hopefully I brought enough water to stay hydrated through the whole thing. So we'll see how it goes. See ya.